Model, 2014 Ford Transit Custom 290L1 front-wheel drive 2.2 TDCi 100ps low-roof van. TSOR repair. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 174473. MOT, 26 April 2024. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2 100ps TDCI-A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Turbo needs repairing or replacing. Will need injector replacing. Then is good and sounds fine, well worth getting the tool bag out to get this back to its former glory. Get in quick, these don't last here long. Okay, hand medium light skin tone. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Features, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI,